Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another episode in our Wide World of Food series. So recently, we were at a local pizza joint having a great time, great meal. And we got to talking about Chinese restaurants. And that's when it hit me. Who doesn't love pizza?
No one.
Who doesn't love Chinese food?
No one?
What if we combined them?
No, we can't. Yes, we can.
So today, my friends, we're making Italian fried rice.
Inconceivable!
Oh yeah. Now, I've never done this before. I'm not modifying this from another recipe. Made this up myself, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll have some recommendations at the end to make it better. Maybe it'll turn out perfect. So, I'll tell you what though, friends, as always, all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions will be down below in the description section. Now, all the cooking is going to happen outside on my Blackstone grill, but we have a little bit of prep to do first, so let's get to it. All right, we're out here at the trusty Blackstone. I have this side, the middle burner, and this burner on medium heat, and this one over here on low. So let's start making this stuff. First thing we're gonna do is throw down a pound of our homemade Italian sausage. Then I'm gonna use my super badass spatulas / scoops from Halo to chop that up and get it cooking. Could I have done it with one? Yes, I could have. This makes me feel happy.
Precisely.
Now that I assess we're about halfway through the cooking process for that, I'm going to add about a 1/4 stick of butter and our onions and peppers and our mushrooms. And we're going to cook that for about 5 minutes or so until those vegetables are good and soft. Our vegetables are going to be soaking up all that incredible rendered fat from the sausage, keeping all that flavor in our dish.
A clever and diabolical scheme.
Now that I think my vegetables are about halfway there, I'm going to add the pepperoni now because the oil from the pepperoni is going to get released also and get soaked up by those veggies.
Hell yes.
Now you don't have to make yours exactly like mine. If you don't fancy mushrooms, don't add mushrooms. Black olives might be a good addition to this, sliced little circles. All right, I'm happy with where the meat and vegetables are, so I'm going to move those over to the cooler side of the griddle. Actually, that's hashtag fake news. I'm going to add the garlic to it first and mix that in a little bit. So last night I took 3 cups of uncooked rice, 4.5 cups of water, put that all into my Ninja Foodie, set it for 2 minutes on high pressure, let it do a 10-minute natural release, and voila, I had some beautiful rice. So then I took it, I put it on this baking sheet, and I kept it in the refrigerator overnight to let this dry out a little bit. That's what's going down now. To that, we'll add the rest of our stick of butter, so 3/4 are left here. And we'll get that all fried up. You want to break up any lumps in your rice that's been sitting overnight. I have no idea what's going on over there. No idea. Gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the rice. All right, now we're going to bring everything together. We're going to add our drained, fire-roasted diced tomatoes. Get those stirred in. Our fresh oregano. Our fresh basil. Wow, that was a huge change in aroma. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Grated, of course. I'll tell you, when I thought about this, I thought about mozzarella, but I thought that would be too messy. I thought Parmesan would work better. We'll find out. I'm going to reserve just a little bit of the cheese to add at the end for garnish. So I would guess we're adding about 6 of the 8 ounces now. Get that all mixed up and get that cheese melted. Judgment will tell how we're doing, but damn, it's smelling good right now. All right, let's get this plated up and then inside and for some judgment. All right, the rice is done. The director's home. It is now time for the judgment. All right, as the director's chowing down, about to give me some judgment, oh, and she will. Hey, why don't you visit our Patreon page? You'll like it. Extra bonus content. Bonus content, director. Well, how'd we do?
Very good. Very tasty. I like it.
All right. Hey, there we go. We made the director happy. That's all we try and do here at the Galley of the Sun. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Leave us a comment. What kind of combination fried rice would you like to see next? Burrito fried rice? I know the director is looking forward to some kimchi fried rice. I don't know.
Yuck. No.
Okay. Hey, until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.